Hello, welcome back to our channel Semangat Kontribusi. We will reflect about a topic, a fragmented world. We need individual moral responsibility. Our world is increasingly fragmented in all areas, including education and culture. Education is often trapped in the logic of profit and loss and competition without role models, while local culture are increasingly marginalized by the globalization of consumerist lifestyle and instant commercial values. Police sociologist Zygmunt Bauman calls the late modern era is liquid modernity, where once stable social orders, religion, family, school, and state no longer serve as strong moral guides. The world has become fast-paced, transient, and relationships between individuals have become shallow. We live in a society of fragmentation, division, and uncertainty, but at the same time, we still need values that unite, reconcile, and make the world a more human place. In this context, education and culture play a vital role. However, both are also experiencing pressure from this current of fragmentation. Education is often trapped by the logic of the market and competition, while local cultures are crushed by the globalization of instant and commercial values. Amidst all this, the fundamental question we need to ask again is, do we still maintain our moral responsibility as individuals? Bauman in Postmodern Ethics 1993 wrote, "There are no more unquestionable authorities to tell us what is the right and what is the wrong. We must choose our responsibilities ourselves. In a world devoid of solid moral guidelines, every individual must consciously take ethical responsibility." This is highly relevant in our education system today. When the system is not strong enough to guarantee values, students' character depends heavily on the personal example of teachers and the adults around them. We see this in many real-life stories, such as teachers in remote parts of Indonesia who remain faithful to teaching despite their limitation. They ignore the temptation of pragmatism and choose to take responsibility for the future of their children in their communities. Their actions reflect what Bauman calls the moral impulse that precedes reason and law, an ethical drive that is not dictated by rules, but rather by an awareness of inescapable existence of others. The drive to take responsibility arises from within, not from external coercion or rules. In Indonesia, the 2023 Education Integrity Index shows a decline in academic integrity scores in several provinces, particularly related to the cheating and the great manipulation. An education system that focuses more on memorization than character building also result in students lacking critical thinking and problem-solving skills. In culture, moral responsibility is also often neglected. Many of our local cultural heritage, which teach empathy, mutual cooperation, and respect for nature, are being abandoned in favor of a fast-paced and shallow digital culture. The lack of generalization has also resulted in many Indonesian culture heritage, such as wayang, batik, and pencaksilat, being categorized as in need of urgent safeguarding on the UNESCO Intangible Cultural Heritage list. This is dangerous because culture is not merely an identity, but source of shared values. When culture is no longer consciously instilled in education and daily life, the younger generation will lose its moral anchor. Schools and cultural institutions are truly places for character formation. However, in practice, ethics are often displaced by technical targets, test score, accreditation, and individual achievement. In fact, as Bauman wrote in Liquid Modernity 2000, moral responsibility is non-negotiable and non-transferable. We cannot expect moral values to be taught solely through textbooks or slogans. They must be instilled through concrete action and direct relationship between teacher and students, between parents and children, between society and its culture. We are not lacking an education system, but rather a lack of role models. We are not lacking a curriculum, but rather a space to foster empathy, moral courage, and social awareness. This is where the role of individual becomes crucial. The world is constantly changing, but moral responsibility must not be swept away by these changes. Because in a sense, humans are moral subjects, called to share moral responsibility in building a better and a more human world. Today, more than national policies or projects, we need ethical awareness on a micro scale. Small actions, teaching from the heart, preserving local wisdom, accompanying children with love, and engaging in public space with integrity are concrete forms of moral responsibility that our time demands. It's time to stop asking, what's wrong with the system? And start asking, what can I do? In a fluid world, personal moral responsibility is the only anchor that can keep us human. In this way, individuals become beacon of hope and carriers of improvement in a fragmented and polarized world. Everything starts with small things, moving toward bigger things so that the world becomes healthier and more livable. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to click like, subscribe, comment, and share. in order to get more people these values shared. Thank you.